In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deepseek for stock analysis. Deepseek AI-powered stock market research. Trade brains. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Deepseek and look for the official Deepseek website in the results. Click through to the site, then switch the site language to English so everything is easier to follow. Once you're on the English version, select Start Now to launch the chat interface. Inside the chat, we'll set up Deepseek for finance use so it understands your goals from the start. Paste a short system prompt like this. You are my equity research assistant. Your job is to help me analyze stocks using fundamentals such as revenue, earnings, margins, cash flows, and valuation. This frames the conversation and keeps responses focused on investment analysis. When you're ready, submit the prompt to lock in that context. Next, run a quick stock overview. For example, you can say, I'm researching the stock AAPL listed in the US. Summarize how the stock has performed over the last 1 year and 5 years versus its main index and key competitors. This tells Deepseek to compare time horizons and to benchmark performance against both the broader market and peers. If possible, ask it to include tickers and clear date ranges so you can verify the time frame. Then submit your prompt. Now move into fundamentals. Ask, analyze the fundamentals of AAPL using the latest annual and quarterly data available. Create a small table of the last 3 to 5 years: revenue, operating income, net income, EPS, operating margin, net margin, ROE, ROIC, and debt to equity. This gives you a concise financial snapshot that highlights growth, profitability, returns, and leverage. If the model cites data, check the reporting period and units, as companies may shift fiscal calendars or adjust segments. Submit the request and review the output carefully. Finally, add a technical view to round out your research. Prompt: use web data and charts to analyze the price action of AAPL. Describe the overall trend on the daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes. Identify approximate support and resistance zones based on price history and volume clusters. This helps you understand momentum across multiple timeframes and where price has historically reacted. When possible, ask for the date of the latest chart and the source so you know how current the analysis is. Submit your prompt and consider saving the results for your trading journal. That's it. With these prompts, Deepseek becomes a structured research companion. Use it to speed up your workflow, but always verify numbers and remember, this is not financial advice.